Hi there, students. A litany. A litany of something. Okay, let's see. We normally use this as to mean a long list of unpleasant things, something is repeated again and again. So he has a litany of reasons why he is dissatisfied with his job. Okay, a litany of something, a long list of it, yeah, a lengthy enumeration. We received a litany of complaints from customers when we changed the format of the product. I had a litany of problems with this computer program. There are a litany of possible side effects to this drug. The union had a litany of grievances against the management. Okay, he blamed his failure in the exam on a litany of different reasons. A prolonged and tedious list, one after the other. Okay, a litany, the real meaning, it's a long Christian prayer where people pray. And normally the person leading the service says some of the parts of it, and the people attending say other parts. It's sort of like question and response. Yeah. So a litany is actually it's a religious prayer. Yeah. A prayer consisting of invocations and begging by the leader with alternate responses by the people present. But that's very technical. We use this a litany of, a long, boring list of, a repetitive list of. There have been a litany of sackings at the company due to the recession. He has a litany of complaints against me. The lawyer listed a huge litany of offences committed by the accused. Okay, so litany, the recital, a long list, a catalogue, yeah, an enumeration, if you like it. Okay, so a litany of something. A series of tedious and repetitive things. He used a litany of adjectives to describe the noun. Okay, he used a litany of words when just two or three would have done. Okay, so this is quite good. A litany, a litany of. It's a countable noun. Let's see, how formal is this? I think I would give it a 6.5 informality. I think you could just about use it in an informal conversation, but I think you might say a long list of, a massive list of, a long, boring recital of. Yeah, he enumerated the things. No, enumerated is more formal. And then, as to origin, the origin comes from ancient Greek, litania, meaning a prayer, from lite, prayer or entreaty, begging. So, yeah, I guess you might say there are a litany of meanings for this word, and there are a litany of videos in my channel. But notice, normally if you say a litany of something, you're being critical. You're saying it's just too much, too long, and too boring. Yeah? This man has a litany of complaints against the Prime Minister. There are a litany of reasons why he doesn't like him. Yeah, it's like somebody going on and on and on and on and on, and that's the concept of the litany. So maybe it's saying that the prayer is long and boring and not very interesting. So I hope I don't have a litany of unhappy viewers about this video. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A litany of something.